M1100, cleaning power in motion. Productivity and running time have no limits with MACH M1100. The wide cleaning path delivers a productivity rate of up to 8,875 meters squared per hour, while impressive running time is achieved with the exclusive ECOsystem. This patented technology recycles cleaning solution, guaranteeing huge labor, water, and detergent savings. Consumption is dramatically reduced, therefore also reducing the environmental impact of cleaning. This means the productivity rate of the scrubber dryer is boosted by up to 5 times in comparison with traditional systems. By activating the ECOsystem, the 220-liter solution tank capacity is boosted to the equivalent of 600 liters in a traditional machine. 2 of the key features on the machine are the traction motor and the batteries. The electronic traction ensures easy and safe handling of the powerful drive motor, which fitted in a vertical position in the nose of the machine, has maximum protection against impact and water. The M1100 batteries guarantee an impressive running time of up to 4.5 hours and are easily accessed by lifting up the driver's seat. Simple commands and high visibility ensure the M1100 is easy to maneuver, even for less experienced operators, and it has been designed to work in tough environments thanks to high resistance to impact and intensive use. The machine weighs 1,160 kilograms because of its heavy-duty steel structure, which guarantees extreme robustness. Steel bumpers protect the lateral and rear parts of the machine. Finally, the overhead guard ensures maximum protection for the operator. 2 models exist for the M1100, each designed for different environments and requirements. The M1100 D, MACH's ultimate auto scrubber, is cleaning power in motion. Fitted with 2 brushes or pad drivers, it offers the possibility to adjust brush pressure in 2 levels, up to a maximum of 90 kilograms. This combination of disc brushes and pressure is the most effective solution to remove stubborn dirt. The retractable side brushes are shock resistant, sweeping into tight corners without the risk of damage. The M1100R, equipped with a cylindrical brush head, is the 2-in-1 machine from MACH. High-speed rotation and the special chevron bristle pattern work together to effectively pick up debris and throw it into the stainless steel hopper, whilst washing takes place. Emptying the dirt container and changing the brushes is quick, easy, and tool-free. In both versions, cylindrical and disc, the scrub deck is in stainless steel as standard and fitted with a splash guard that automatically adjusts to the surface and contains water within the scrubbing path for a precise clean. Another feature which distinguishes the M1100 from other machines in this category is the dosematic system. From the operator's position, it is possible to adjust in real time the solution concentration. Detergent is taken directly from the original container, which sits in a universal holder. The solution can be regulated at 5 levels, which are proportional to the forward speed of the machine, enabling consumption to be adjusted according to the floor type. The efficiency of the drying system ensures a perfect clean, whatever the surface. The unique half-moon shape of the squeegee, in stainless steel as standard, ensures a completely dry floor even around tight corners. The blades are in Linotex, the best material on the market, guaranteeing adherence to the surface and uniform drying. Their longevity is 4 times greater, as it is possible to use each edge. Flipping the blades is quick and doesn't require tools. The 2 powerful vacuum motors enable efficient drying on all types of floor. They are protected by a unique stainless steel filter, which is easily accessible for inspection thanks to the cover on the rear panel of the machine that opens automatically. The debris basket, also in stainless steel for maximum resistance against corrosion, is positioned at the opening to the recovery tank. It retains bulky debris collected during the drying phase and allows for separate disposal that's quick and environmentally friendly. Filling, emptying, and inspecting the tanks is easy and comfortable via convenient wide portholes. Draining the recovery tank is also simple thanks to hoses equipped with flexible ends, which give the operator full control over the flow of dirty water, avoiding direct contact and ensuring maximum safety. M1100 D and R, cleaning power in motion.